So draft analysis is used to identify where we need to add different drafts, right? And in a previous video we have corrected this angle that from the code itself. So basically we edited the base feature. Let's undo that step. Okay, so we're gonna turn off the draft angle, and now if we do the draft analysis, select the direction of the pool, you will see, okay, these are the portions where it needs some type of drafting, right? Let's say if you don't wanna mess with the original design, someone has given you a design where everything, all these features are already merged. So you have one single body. You might need to or create these draft angles explicitly. So for that, we'll be using this draft tool. So select that. Make sure that you're checking this auto paint. Now the next thing, select the angle to which you want to create the draft. For the next parameter, which is this pink box, select the direction of the pool, in this case, the front plane. See, it is already showing you the analysis of where it needs or requires some draft. Now, on this one, we select the faces that requires the draft. So we're selecting all around the surfaces which are painted yellow, the major surfaces, and saying, okay, we need a draft angle of 1 degree. Click OK. And now if you do the draft analysis, again, you will see it doesn't require any type of drafting. So we have created using the draft tool. Next, we have the move faces. Let's say we want to change the height of a face depending on it. So let's say that face is this, and we want to extend it in one of the directions. So this is the direction of the pool. We want to let's say extend it on the opposite direction of the pool. We can adjust it from here, or we can just pull and push depending on it. If you want to be precise, you can use the other part. Okay, it's -20. Let's make it -10. So it will extend for you. Okay, and the design seems much symmetric with respect to this part of the design, but this goes down a little below. But otherwise, this looks pretty much good. Okay, next we will learn how to create this split line. So let's say if we want to create the split line around this surface where one portion of it will be on the cavity, another part will be on the mold portion. Okay, and this is the plane that we are using as a reference for pull direction, right? The pull direction is in this orientation downside. Otherwise, the general orientation is this, where it will go upwards. Okay, so we will take the perpendicular plane to it, which in this case looks like the top plane, okay, and create a new sketch out of it. Let's select the base sketch and let's make it visible. So we know originally it was still this length and we extended it around here. Okay, or if you want, let's say, let's forget about this, we're going to create a split line around somewhere around here. So we're going to draw something along this, select the line and make it horizontal. Okay, smart dimension from here till here, let's make it 10. Okay, so this is where the split line will be created. Let's exit the sketch. It looks something like this. We can select the split line, select this sketch, and select the surfaces where we want to create this split line. Once done, click OK, you will see it has created the split in the surface. So the portion below the split line will be in one part of the mold and the other portion will be on the other part of the mold. Okay, uh, but for this tutorial going forward, we will actually unroll till this portion where we're not going to use the extended surface or the split line itself.